Hello and welcome to Paula Armstrong Ceramics. So for this video I'm doing something a little bit different. In one of the classes I'm teaching we're looking at different ways of drawing on clay. And one of the techniques that I'm looking at is inlaying with coloured slips. So I thought I would have a go myself. So for this video I'm experimenting with inlaying coloured slips to create a drawing on a plate. So I hope it works. so that's my experiment with using inlay on a plate. There was a few things that I learnt there. Different types of lines work differently. Thinner lines are much harder to get to stay, although wider lines are equally hard actually. Somewhere in the middle was certainly the easiest ones to get to stay put. I needed to let the slip dry a bit more before I scraped away this purple around the outside with the last bit of slip that I put on there. That's how come I've got a bit of smudging and a bit missing there. So a little bit longer to dry for the outside. The thicker slips definitely made it easier to apply and they dried quicker. So the kind of tealy turquoisey colour was definitely the easiest of the slips to apply and go on. The yellow wasn't bad as well, that was quite good, but the purple was quite runny, as was the blue, and they probably just weren't quite dry enough when I started scraping away. So I think if I'm going to use different colours again, I'll make sure that the slips are closer in consistency between the different colours the ones that I choose to apply to one piece. But overall I'm quite pleased with that. It is a little bit on the messy side, could do with a bit more tidying up in there, but I will fire this and put a transparent glaze over the top of it and see what it comes out like. I will post a photo of this on my social media feeds to show what it turns out like when it's done. I've used a white clay as the background. It's a white smooth stoneware called Birch White by Potterycrafts, and I will fire up to 1200 degrees when it gets glazed fired. It'll get 1000 bisque first and then a glaze fire up to 1200. So we will see how it turns out. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be back soon with another one.